Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are doing good. Today's video is actually going to be a very quick one, very straight to the point kind of video. I'm basically going to be showing you how I stretch my wash and goes and how I make my wash and goes to last longer, at least for 1 week. Okay, so I created this wash and go a while back, and if you have not seen that video, the link is going to be in the description box. Okay, you might just want to check that out to see which products would be better to create a wash and go on your 4C natural hair. Okay, that because that's basically what that video is all about. Okay, so to stretch my wash and go and to make it last longer, to actually make it last longer, I stretch it, if that makes sense. Okay, so to now stretch it, I use my band to band my hair in small sections, just as you are seeing it right now. Okay, I make sure that I band it really tightly and firmly at the roots, just as I'm doing right now. I mean, how do I put it now? I rolled the band several times at the roots, okay, before moving towards the body of each section, just as you are seeing it right now. Okay, and I also make sure to leave out the ends of each section, because the ends actually kind of contribute to how defined your wash and go is going to look each day as each day passes, if that makes sense. So I just make sure that I band really tightly at the roots, band at the body, at the body basically, and then I leave out the ends of my hair, because I really still want that definition. Because if you band it totally, like you band like every part of the section, and you even band the hands, your wash and go is going to lose the definition. Okay, I know I look like a village girl here, but it's part of the process. It's the price you pay for something to look beautiful. Okay. Yeah, okay, so I left this on my head for like 2 days, but if you want to take your own down the next day, it's fine. Okay, but I took my own down the next 2 days. You get what I'm trying to say? So at this point, when I was taking down the band, it actually did not look like something that was going to be fine after taking out the old band. But I still continued. I was hopeful, I was like, what's the worst that can happen? Wash my hair. So I just continued taking down the bands, and it eventually actually came out nice. Wait, what did I just say? It eventually came out nice. Okay, it eventually came out nice. I also want to mention that the reason why I said I like banded my hair in small sections is because I feel like with small sections there will be more movement, there will be more life to the hair compared to banding my hair in big sections. I don't know if that makes sense. It's just how I feel. I don't know how true that is, but I just felt like banding my hair in smaller sections will definitely contribute to how freely the hair moves, and the volume basically. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can notice, one side of my hair actually has more definition than the other side, and that is the reason why I said if you have not seen the video where I created this wash and go, you should definitely check that video out. The link is going to be in the description box. I used 2 different products, so it was because I used 2 different products to create this particular wash and go. That is the reason why one particular section has more definition, like this particular section has more definition than the other section. Okay, so that's about that. And at this point, it had movement. The wash and go had movement, but it wasn't looking nice. So I had to go ahead and style my wash and go. Okay, so basically that is how I make my wash and go last longer. I stretch it, and then I fluff it out, and then I style it. I style it in a way that it doesn't require a lot of manipulation. Okay, so basically what I'm doing right here is to just style it in the side parts kind of a situation. Brush one side to the back and pin it down, and fluff the rest of the hair out. Just find a way to make it look nice. Basically, stretch your wash and go if you want it to last longer, or let me say not necessarily last longer, but if you just want it to have more length and have more volume. Okay, stretch it, fluff it out, and style it in the way that you can style it. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's actually contributes to the growth of my channel. Okay, give me a thumbs up and let me know if you like this final look. I think I like it. I did not wear makeup anyway, but I kind of feel like if I should slap makeup on my face at this point, it's going to bang. I know it would bang if I had applied makeup at this particular point, but I didn't see the point. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.